Omega gels. With that, smaller amounts. You can use this for your 3D nail art as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and place it right there. Okay. And then we're gonna go ahead and place your, oh, I love it. See, so then that's why you don't have to worry about the part of the charms. I want the little dainty right here. And I'm gonna give it a good press down. Good press. And with Omega gel, it's really nice and it's solid. So it's not moving either. And then you can able to adjusting it left to the right, however you like. First, before you cure. And make sure that it looks really cool. And then any spot that it's missing, definitely you can using your precision glue gel to double secure it. Looks not bad at all.
Cool.
Okay, cure for 60 seconds.